ഹലോ കൂട്ടുകാരെ, ഇന്ന് നമുക്ക് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ആക്ഷൻ സോങ് പാടിയാലോ? എന്നാവാ. We have five senses. Do you know? Do you know? Taste, smell, see, touch, hear. Do you know? I can see with my eyes, with my eyes, with my eyes. I can see with my eyes, rainbow in the sky. I can smell with my nose, with my nose, with my nose. I can smell with my nose, lovely red rose. I can taste with my tongue, with my tongue, with my tongue. I can taste with my tongue, yummy chocolates. I can hear with my ears, with my ears, with my ear. I can hear with my ear, chirping of the birds. I can taste with my hand, with my hand, with my hand. I can taste with my hand, yellow silky sand. These are the five senses, five senses, five senses. These are the five senses we must know. ഇനി എല്ലാവരും പഠിക്കൂലേ? എന്നാ ശരി, ബൈ ബൈ.